All right, so older Silverado Classic, old tailgate. That's drops. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It's not heavy, but saw this guy online for a tailgate assist, and no holes need to be drilled. It just uses all pre-existing.
Use it quietly.
Yeah, we're gonna use the quiet tools, shock, some brackets, and it's $17. So how could you go wrong? Yeah, it's got sticky fluid too. Step one, you're gonna remove this bolt and put this bracket on, and then put the bolt back in. Next, we gotta detach the tailgate cable, remove this bolt, and replace it with the provided stud and washer. Then we're gonna take this stud and this large washer and put it in the place where the tailgate cable goes. They give you fluid, it's thread locker, and we're gonna put that on the threads that are going into the body of the truck. And that's what you should be left with. Now we're gonna put the tailgate strap back on top of it. We're going to get our shock and we're gonna put it on here. And we're going to get one of the provided lock nuts and put it on here. Everything is a 13 millimeter. Only tool you need is a 13 millimeter. All right, so there's also a small washer in the kit. So you're gonna put this, only the nut goes up on the top, on the bottom. The small washer goes.
I'm gonna try to do that.
And then we gotta get.
I'm gonna try and fix it.
So you're gonna put your small washer on the bottom post here. Lock nut goes there. And you got, let me see this, Amelia? Your one lock nut up top. And then you saw it slam before. Oh, I'm gonna have to probably get a new cable because it seems like the cable wants to pop out now. But now, instead of slamming down, nice and easy. I'll put a link in the description for this particular shock. It works on all 99 to early 07 Silverado Sierras. And you can just confirm your fitment on the Amazon link, but a link will be in the description.